Good morning. Today we're going to talk about converting units of measurement. So let's say that I had 3 feet, which would be 3 times this 1 foot ruler. Let's look at the steps. What if I said I have 3 feet, but I want to know how many inches that is in all? So for step 1, I'm going to notice the starting and ending units. So 3 feet to how many inches? My units are those units of measurement. So we're going to think, are the units going from big to small or from small to big? Which means which one's larger? 3 feet is a foot larger than an inch, or is an inch larger than a foot? And the big rule, all in all, the big rule is if I'm going from a big unit to a small unit, big to small, multiply them all. From small to big, divide, you dig. We say that as a rhyme to help us remember. So the rule for converting any unit of measurement is always going to be, if you're going from a bigger unit, big to small, multiply them all. Small to big, divide, you dig. Okay, let's keep going. So remember, we had 3 feet was equal to how many inches? So let's think, am I going big to small or small to big? Let's take a look at step 2. That's what we're doing. We're going to decide. Decide if we need to multiply or divide. Are we going from big to small or from small to big? So if I have 3 feet, that's larger than inches. So the foot is larger than inch, that's big to small, multiply them all. And I went ahead and I scooped my equation. I put that multiplication symbol right there so I don't forget that I need to multiply. All right, now we're going to talk about step 3. Step 3 is we're going to multiply or divide the units of measurement. So we're going to think, how do our units compare? This is a really important part because we need to multiply or divide by the units in the way that they compare. Because I know that there's 12 inches in 1 foot and 3 feet in 1 yard, it's just something to remember. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to multiply my 3 feet times 12 because that's the unit for my inches. That's how it compares. So 3 times 12 is 36. So 3 feet is equivalent to 36 inches. Great job, mathematicians.